Welcome to English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to follow a conversation about missing the last train home. In this video, you will follow Sarah and Charlie as they face this common travel problem and find a solution together. This story uses simple, everyday English that you can use in real situations. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
Come on, Charlie. We need to hurry.
I'm coming. What time is it?
It's 20 past 11.
The train leaves at 11:30, right?
Yes, platform 4. This way.
Wait, where is the train?
I don't see it. The platform is empty.
Are we on the right platform?
Yes, this is platform 4.
But there's no train here.
Oh no, did we miss it?
I think we did. Look at the sign.
Let me check the departure board.
What does it say?
The 11:30 train to Brighton. It says departed.
Departed? When did it leave?
5 minutes ago. We're too late.
Is there another train tonight?
Let me see. No, that was the last one.
The last train. Really?
Yes, the next one is at 6 in the morning.
6 in the morning? What do we do now?
I don't know. We need to find another way home.
This is not good.
Okay, let's think. What are our options?
We could take a taxi home.
How much would that cost?
Probably £80, maybe more.
£80? That's too expensive.
What about staying in a hotel tonight?
A hotel near the station?
Yes, then we can take the first train tomorrow.
That might be cheaper than a taxi.
Or we could call someone to pick us up.
Who could drive here at midnight?
My brother Tom lives in London.
Would he come and get us?
Let me call Tom. Where's my phone?
Do you have his number?
Yes, it's in my contacts. Oh no.
What's wrong?
I have no signal on my phone.
No signal. Check again.
I'm trying. Let me move closer to the window.
What about my phone? Let me try.
Good idea. Check your phone.
I have 1 bar. That's better than nothing.
Great. Can you call Tom?
I don't have Tom's number.
I'll give it to you.
Okay, I'm calling Tom now.
I hope he answers.
It's ringing. Hello, Tom?
Is he there?
Tom, it's Sarah, Charlie's girlfriend.
Tell him we're at Victoria Station.
We missed the last train home to Brighton.
Ask if he can help us.
Could you possibly come and pick us up?
What's he saying?
He's checking with his wife, Emma.
I hope they can come.
Tom? Okay, thank you so much.
What did Tom say?
He said yes, he can come and get us.
Really? That's wonderful.
He'll be here in about an hour.
An hour? That's not too long.
He was very nice about it.
Tom is a good brother.
We should wait for him outside the station.
Good idea. Where exactly?
He said by the main entrance.
Perfect. I'm so relieved.
Me too. I was really worried.
Now we just need to wait.
Let's go to the main entrance.
Is there a place to sit outside?
I think there are some benches.
Good. I don't want to miss Tom when he arrives.
What kind of car does he drive?
A blue Ford. It's quite old.
I'll watch for a blue Ford then.
He said about an hour. What time is it now?
Almost midnight.
So Tom will be here around 1 o'clock.
That's right. Are you tired?
A little, but I'm happy Tom is coming.
This bench is comfortable.
Yes, and we can see the street clearly.
Look, there's a blue car.
That's not Tom's car. It's too new.
How long has Tom had his car?
About 10 years. It's very old.
But it still works well?
Most of the time. Sometimes it makes strange noises.
I hope it doesn't break down tonight.
Don't worry. Tom is a good driver.
How long does it take to drive to Brighton?
About an hour and a half.
We'll be home by 3 in the morning.
At least the weather is nice tonight.
Yes, it's not cold or raining.
Remember last month when we missed our train?
Oh yes, and it was raining heavily.
We got completely wet waiting for a taxi.
That taxi driver was not very nice.
He didn't want to take us because we were wet.
But we found another taxi in the end.
That driver was much friendlier.
Tonight is much better than that night.
Definitely. And Tom is family.
Your family is very helpful.
What time is it now?
Let me check my phone. It's 12:50.
10 minutes until 1 o'clock.
Tom should be here soon.
I hope he doesn't get lost.
Does Tom know London well?
He lives here, but he doesn't often come to Victoria.
Maybe he's using GPS on his phone.
That's a good idea. GPS is very helpful.
Look, is that a blue Ford?
Where? I don't see it.
Never mind. It was a blue taxi. Wait! There's another blue car.
Is that Tom's car?
It's slowing down. I think it might be.
I can't see the driver clearly.
The car is stopping.
Should we go and check?
Wait, it's moving again.
That's not Tom. The driver was a woman.
Oh well, we'll wait a bit longer.
Tom said around 1 o'clock. It's not exactly 1 yet.
You're right. Let's be patient.
At least we're not walking home. Look, there's Tom.
Really? The blue Ford?
Yes, I can see him waving at us.
Oh, thank goodness, Tom is here.
Let's go. Don't forget your bag.
I've got it. Tom looks tired.
He drove all this way to help us.
We should thank him properly.
Definitely. Maybe we can buy him breakfast.
That's a good idea.
Hello, Tom. Thank you so much.
We really appreciate this.
Tom, this is Sarah, my girlfriend.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
And Sarah, this is my brother Tom.
Thank you so much for coming to get us.
We really didn't know what to do.
The last train left without us.
We were only 5 minutes late.
But 5 minutes was too much.
Sorry to wake you up so late.
Were you already sleeping?
We feel terrible about this.
We owe you dinner.
How was your evening, Tom?
We hope we didn't ruin your plans.
Were you watching TV with Emma?
Or were you already in bed?
We feel so bad about calling so late.
But we really had no other choice.
A taxi would have cost £80.
That's too much money for us.
And we don't know anyone else in London.
You're our hero tonight, Tom.
Definitely our hero.
The traffic is not too bad. London looks beautiful at night.
Yes, all the lights are very pretty.
Look, there's Big Ben.
And the London Eye over there.
We should visit London more often.
But maybe we should leave earlier next time.
Good idea. No more missing trains.
We'll check the train times before we go out.
And we'll set an alarm on our phones.
That's very smart thinking.
Are we nearly out of London now?
I think so. The buildings are getting smaller. Now we're on the motorway to Brighton.
How much longer do you think?
Maybe 40 minutes.
I'm getting sleepy.
You can rest your head on my shoulder.
Thank you. That's comfortable.
Tom, are you okay to drive? Are you tired?
We can talk to keep you awake.
Or we can put some music on.
What kind of music do you like, Tom?
Tom likes rock music.
Rock music will keep us all awake. I can see Brighton now.
Yes, there's our local supermarket.
And there's the cafe where we have breakfast.
We're almost home, Tom.
Turn left at the next street.
Our house is number 24.
It has a red front door.
You'll see it easily.
Tom, would you like to come in for tea or coffee?
It's very late, but you're welcome to stay.
Or you could sleep on our sofa.
The drive back to London is very long.
Here we are, home at last.
Thank you so much, Tom.
You saved our evening.
We can't thank you enough.
Drive carefully back to London.
Text me when you get home safely.
And say hello to Emma from us.
We'll invite you both for dinner soon.
Yes, a proper dinner to say thank you.
Take care, Tom. Good night.
Good night. Thank you again.
What an adventure tonight was.
But we made it home in the end.
I hope this story helped you learn useful English for travel situations. Sometimes we miss trains or buses, but there's always a solution if we stay calm and ask for help. What would you do if you missed the last train home? Write your answer in the comments below. Remember, practice makes perfect. Subscribe for more English stories and don't forget to like this video. See you next time.